Hello guys, I'm Ayman and today I will make a new tutorial for my channel the tutorial name will be the how to make a Windows USB bootable device with Windows operating system on it. So the requirements for your operating system will be to get a USB with at least 4 gigs of 4 gigs on it. So I had a transcended 8 gigs. So for mine didn't be so problem. But for you if you had 4 gigs stick will be good enough. Will be good. So the software that I will use is Rufus 2.2, which you downloaded from rufus.akao.ie. The link will be down in the description. So this will be this is in my language, in my Romania, so this is in Romanian, but I will translate you. Here are the downloads, so you had to click this, okay. Here is here is the system requirements, so you had to Windows XP or something new. So sorry Mac, but this software wouldn't be compatible with Mac OS X, so you had to click this, and your execution file will be installed on your computer, so you didn't have to install something from Wizard. Will install the execution file, so that's all. So now let's open the Rufus, hit yes on user account control and hit yes, but that pop-up was to check my version is the latest, so is the latest because I downloaded it now 5 seconds ago. So the device, it isn't selected because I didn't plug in, so let's plug in. So let's close this, okay. So as you can see, here is my USB drive, so this one, 8 gigs. So you had to put NTFS here, so be sure to check that. So here is the default, and the new volume label I will call Windows 8.1 because on this tutorial I will make a Windows 8.1 USB bootable. So if you want to make a Windows 7, you go with your choice. So if you want to make a Windows 7, you have to download the Windows 7 ISO file and to put in on Rufus, and your USB will be on with Windows 7. So I will make a Windows 8.0, 8.0, so really now Windows 8.1 ISO image that I've downloaded now 5 or 10 minutes, I don't know. Okay. Okay, so the Windows 8.0 will be the new volume label. Check the quick format to quick format the USB, and this will check the create extender label and icon files and create a bootable disk using ISO image. So now we'll choose the ISO image that I'm from desktop, and it's on the desktop. So Windows 8.1 Pro x64 activated. So now it's ready to get on it. So let's come on, Windows 8.1. Okay. So now here we had some options. If you install Windows 8.1, you will have to you will have some options. Start on Windows installation or Windows to go. You know that Windows 8 and 8.1 had that option to get your I like to say a system restore, but it isn't a system restore. It's a Windows to go. So it's a file that you put on USB, and after that you'll be able to run on any computer. So if you want to make like this, okay, it's not a problem, but I will make a standard Windows installation because I want to make and to show you how to make an USB device which is bootable and install Microsoft Windows from it. So after this are all the settings, so let's check it again. So my USB sticks, and these were MBR, partition scale for BIOS, and UEFI, CCM. So now the NTFS to be sure, and this is also default, and volume level is good, here one pass, and all is good. From here you had to hit start. If you had some data on that USB, you had to restore that data to restore your important data, because you were losing all the data because the Rufus will format it. So mine is nothing, so let's hit OK. And now it's formatting on NTFS, creating system files. Now this will take some time. I don't know how much time, depending on your computer. So now it's copying the ISO image. So as you can see, here's the status bar that you had to see and check. So I will be pause and will go, and I will be back when this will be right, I don't know, here for example. So I will be right back. Okay my friends, I'm back. So now as you can see, my device is ready. So as you can see, my times took 15 minutes. So let's check. So and for Windows 8.1 you need 8 gigs of USB. So on USB you had to get 8 gigs. So for 4 gigs is going to be only the Windows 7. Okay, Windows 8.1 will be to 8 gigs of USB. So now we are here with all the files, and now let's check. So let's close, and now let's check if it works. So I will check it from my Oracle. Let's see and check if it works. So let's click new. Let's say Win 8.1 64 bits. So next, so I'll put in 5120. Next, and here I'll put 250 and create. Let's go to settings, the storage, or let's go to system processor. Let's put 3 of them. Now let's go to network, so bridge adapter. So now all is good. The display is good. Okay, USB I will put in the add USB. So the USB will be this one. No, there's no, this one I think, no? Okay, let's put that one. So let's click OK, and let's hit start. Okay, so the first thing you had to do is to get to your BIOS, but this is a virtual machine, so I didn't have the BIOS. Let's reset. Okay, let's see devices, USB. Let's get it out to see if that is the USB. Yes, that is one. So let's unplug, and yes, it's good. Or I think the virtual box didn't make this, so I will power off and I will come back to test it on my computer. So I will stop recording and see you soon to record from my tablets to see my USB it's working. So let's stop recording and let's get started with Windows 8.1 installation. Okay, I did it install, so you will see now if it works or not. So stay tuned. So now, as you can see, I've restarted my computer. So let's hit F10 from my keyboard or F12, sorry, to choose my bootable device. So hit F12, and I will have to type my password. Enter. What the? Come on. So press any key to boot from USB, and as you can see, my installation boots up. So let's see. Just a second to focus. Oh, okay, it's not working. So maybe this one to see much clearer. So as you can see, we are in Windows 8 installation screen. Let's put this very down to see. So as you can see, we are in Windows 8 installation. Thank you for watching to my video. So this in this way you have to make your USB device. So this was Amen, and this was the tutorial on how to make the Windows 8 installation on an USB stick. So thanks for watching, and see you to the next tutorial. Peace out. And yes, don't forget to subscribe, to like if you like it, and to comment. So thanks for watching again, and see you to the next tutorial. So this is my boot screen from my Windows, not the USB. Okay, not the USB. The USB is out. Okay, so this is the Windows logo screen. So thanks for watching again, and see you to the next tutorial.